Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and that's the first place you can check the amount of steps taken. Some of the watch faces basically display that information. Here we have it. You can also change the watch face. So if you open the menu by pressing and holding the up button, then tap on watch faces, you can scroll through the list and look for the watch face that displays the steps. And even though some of the watch faces might not display this, you can press the start button, select the data option right here, and then you can adjust the type of data being displayed on your watch face. You can select the data and then you can swipe up and down, I believe, to scroll through the list. You can find the steps. Should be somewhere here. No, here we have it. We can even set it also as well here. And then you can press the upper button and then back button. And then you can tap on apply and the watch face will be applied with the changes. And as you can see, now we have the step counter on our watch face. Another way to do it is to open, or rather, check it on the list of glances. So if you swipe up on the home screen, it will open the glances menu. And here by default, probably steps won't be on the glances list, but you can tap on edit, tap on add, scroll through the list and look for the steps. And once you find the steps, you can tap on them, then tap on done, and the steps will be added. And if you go back, now on the list of glances, the steps will be here and you can check them. You can also tap on them to see more detailed information. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to check that info, which is a bit more detailed. So we can bring our phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can tap on Garmin Connect to open it. And here you can tap on more, activities, and then steps. And here you have some stats, and you can check daily, weekly, 4 weeks, and yearly progression. You can check your stats right here. Okay, and that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.